In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an Amazon baby registry, add items to it, and share it with your friends and family. Creating a baby registry on Amazon is one of the easiest ways to organize your baby essentials all in one place. Let's go through the steps together. First, open your web browser and go to amazon.com. If you're not signed in yet, click the sign in button in the top right corner. Enter your email address, click continue, then enter your password and click sign in. If you don't have an Amazon account, just follow the prompts to create one. It only takes a minute. Once you're signed in, click on the All menu in the top left corner. It looks like 3 horizontal lines, also known as a hamburger icon. From the drop-down, scroll down to Programs and Features and then click See All. Now, look for the Gifting and Registry section and select Baby Registry. On the next page, click Create Your Registry. You'll be asked to fill in a few basic details like your name, baby's due date, and shipping address. Make sure all the information is correct, then click Create Registry to finalize it. Congratulations, your Amazon baby registry is now live. Next, let's add some items. Browse Amazon just like you normally would, and when you find something you want, click Add to Baby Registry on the product page. Repeat this step for every item you'd like to include, from diapers to strollers to cute baby outfits. Once your list is ready, it's time to share it. Go to your registry settings and you'll see options to copy a shareable link or send it directly through social media or email. This makes it super easy for friends and family to find and purchase gifts for your baby. And that's it. You've successfully created, customized, and shared your Amazon baby registry. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials for more helpful Amazon guides.